What's up, guys? It's early in the morning. We are at the airport. We are getting ready to board our flight to head to Fort Lauderdale. Once we get to Fort Lauderdale, we are going to go straight to the cruise port. We're going to be boarding Royal Caribbean's Majesty of the Seas, and we are headed for Key West and Havana, Cuba. I can't wait. I don't know what we're going to experience when we get there, but Cuba's a bucket list trip, so we're going to have a blast, and we're going to take you guys with us. Let's go. There was a little bit of a medical emergency on the flight. Luckily, it wasn't us. Best wishes to whoever went through something on the flight. Not sure what it was, but we did make it here in time in Fort Lauderdale. We did something we have absolutely never done before, which is we flew out the same morning that our cruise leaves port. It was a risk to take. I do not recommend doing that, but it did work out well for us. We are here. We're in Fort Lauderdale. It is significantly hotter than it was up in New England. It must be nearly, I don't know, 100,000 degrees out. It's very humid, but we're here. We're going to go from here. We're going to take an Uber. It's going to cost us about $12 to get from Fort Lauderdale Airport over to Port Everglades to board the Majesty of the Seas. We're so excited. We are going to head over there right now. All right, guys, we have made it. We have boarded the Majesty of the Seas, and we are now in our stateroom. They were ready essentially as soon as we got on the ship. So we went up to the Windjammer. We did have lunch. The buffet was good. It was good. It was a buffet. But now we're in the stateroom, and we're just checking the stateroom out a little bit. And I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a quick tour. Keep in mind, we've been on larger cruise ships before. Our last couple of cruises have been on the Disney Dream and the Allure of the Seas, which is significantly larger than the Majesty of the Seas. So that's where my perspective comes from. So I'll just give you a little bit of a tour. So here we are. We're on the port side of the ship with a ocean view room. Most of the rooms on this ship do not have balconies, but this is the room. It is it's a little small. But that's okay. We have the bed. We have a little bit of a bedside table. The TV is here. We have a desk here with a mirror and some lights. And then we have a closet, which is right here. Got to be careful. The closet almost closes the whole hallway when you open it. So you have a little bit of a closet with a safe and some shelves. Little area to hang some stuff up, and you have your life preservers, you have your life vests, and then you have the restroom, which is right here. The restroom's actually pretty big compared to some other ships I've been on. You have the counter area with some shelves, and then you have a fairly decent sized shower. So that's nice to see. On deck 7, this is your view. But here we are. It's nice and clean. The air conditioner works really well. There's a thermostat right here. Just turn the thermostat, changes the temperature. It is somewhere around 85 degrees right now, very humid, so it feels really good in here. So now that we've had lunch, we're gonna go up on deck and enjoy some of the sunshine before we have to go to the muster drill. Awesome day it has been so far, traveling from New England all the way down to Fort Lauderdale, boarding Royal Caribbean's Majesty of the Seas. We've had a great time since we've been on the ship so far. It's only been one day. We had a great dinner in the main dining room. The food was pretty good, but the service was awesome. The company was great. It's been a great day so far. So we did check out the casino. We saw one of the evening shows. It was really cool, but we are exhausted. So we're gonna end it here for today. Today was kind of mostly a travel day. Tomorrow we are going to Key West. We do have an excursion planned. We are going to board a Fury catamaran and go snorkeling. We can't wait for that. So I'm gonna do my best to get some footage of our snorkeling adventure tomorrow, and then the day after that we are going to Havana, Cuba. So I just wanna say thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. There's going to be a lot more cool stuff where this came from. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button below, hit the notification bell, join us on our adventures. I can't wait to see you tomorrow.